Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all who are watching this video. I'm coming live from Kenya, Nairobi specifically, and welcome all to my YouTube channel. I'm glad that you clicked to watch on today's video. So, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here for me. Thank you so much for always showing me love. It comes a long way and I appreciate so much. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, kindly let me give you a minute so that you go back to the channel, subscribe, then you come back and enjoy the amazing family. And thank you so much for those who have subscribed as per now, as you're watching this video. May God bless you. So today I just want to show you how I always cook my tea, African tea. So this is I'll be showing you how I'm cooking my white tea, my milk tea that is. So keep it here, subscribe, like the video, share, comment what you think about this video, and learn from me how I always do my tea. And in the comment section also, if you see I've not done something that you always do, kindly recommend it, because every time, each and every day we wake up, we would like to learn from others. We would like to expand our knowledges. So if you see there's something that I have not done and you wish to share it with me, kindly drop it in the comment section, so that next time when I'm doing the cooking, I will try your way, right? So stick it here and let's enjoy the video. So I'm just trying to put on the fire. Wataka nini? Kiberiti itachoma. She. So I'll be adding water, half a jug. So again, I'll be covering my water. I'll wait for it to boil. Then after boiling, I'll go on and add my 2 packets of milk. And this is 250 ml each. 250, 250, that is a total of 500 ml. So after the water has boiled, I'll come back again and show you how I do it. So keep it here, keep it locked. Yeah. So as the tea, or as the water is boiling on the other side, I'm on this other side trying to wash utensils. Us, or we as women, we know how to multitask. We can do this at the same time and do this, and life continues, right? So as I'm waiting, Sigonge Baba. Yes. As the water is boiling, as I'm waiting for water to boil, I want to wash the utensil I used yesterday night. Yes. Nini hiyo? Aiko, enda upelekee daddy. Yes. So Kyle is here. My son is so stubborn. He's distracting me. But anyways, let us do our washing faster. Kyle, toka hapo baba. So me, I always love when I wake up in the morning. I find that my kitchen is clean. But yesterday, oh my goodness, I was super tired, because I was in church, and we came out of the church at, let me say, 1:30 in the afternoon, and I came tired. You know how Sundays sometimes look like. So I was tired and I was like lazy. I was lazing around. So I was not able to wash my utensils at night. Kyle, what do you want? Huh? Sikia dadi anapita. Yes. Nikupe nini? Wanatoka hapo. Saya, songa nyuma nikupatie. My son. Aki Kyle. Kyle is so stubborn. Who is stubborn? This guy. Guys, I think I'll cut this video here because my son is so stubborn. Let me cut. I finish washing because he's all over. Then we will see you again when the water has boiled. So the water has boiled. So I'm adding the first milk. Sorry guys, I'm using my teeth to cut, but this is life. We are used to. I know others use scissors, but for me, I don't have. So the first packet is done. Taking the second packet. Yes. Thank you. So the second packet is done. Then what do I put so that my tea tastes or smells good? You feel that aroma? I use tangawizi. This is Fahari ya Kenya tangawizi black tea. I'm not advertising. They have not paid me to advertise. No, this is what I always use, and the tea looks nice, I tell you. So I'll be adding and that is it. So again, I'll be covering the tea, then to cook well. Then I'll come back to add sugar with you as I remove it from the gas. Then I put it on my flask and we enjoy the tea. Our tea has boiled. Hey, 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 hey. So it's time to add sugar. I'll use my sieve. This is how I know the amount of sugar I'll be adding because I'm used to. I'm cooking this tea every time, so I already know the amount of sugar that can taste on the amount of tea. So here is the sugar. That way, then I add a little again. Then I stir. I'm starting to ensure that the sugar and the tea mixes, they combine so that we get a good taste out of it. Kylo, unataka nini? Boss. So again, I'll taste here just on my hand. Yeah, that's it. It has tasted. And what I do again is I'll just put off the gas. Then I start now pouring the tea from the pot to a jug. Then I transfer it to a flask. And that's all, guys. As easy as bread and butter. We always say, okay, some people say as easy as ABC, but me, I say it is as easy as bread and butter, right? So let us do it. I'll just put off the gas. That's that way. Yes. Upewe. So because I want you guys to see, I'll just wacha utamwaga. Hey, Kylo. Kylo is always distracting. Okay, check. Say thank you. Say thank you. Bye. See you. See you. So this is how we do it. I use a cup. Then I like that. So this is a jug and here is a sieve. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but just know I'm sieving my tea. Yeah. I'm sieving my tea. Or should I? Let me try, guys, to show you that way. Yeah. So that's how we do it. As easy as it is. Guys, is the process easy? Tell me in the comment section. Less than, okay, let me say less than 15 minutes, you have your tea ready and you enjoy with your family. Kylo, usiangushe. Wacha, Kylo, wacha. And the last one now. Yes. Sorry. Put it on the other side. What do you want? Why are you so stubborn? You want for me to? Aya, take. Leta mkono basi. Ai. Leta hiyo mkono ingine. Leta mkono ingine. Leta. My son. So after that, This is the flask. Oh. After that, this is the flask I'll be using to store my tea. This helps you or helps the tea to be hot as it is. So when I'm taking breakfast, if the tea remains after breakfast, it will again be used maybe when someone is hungry at another time or another time. So I'm adding. Do you guys see? Yeah, and it is full, 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 full. It's full. So what do I do next? I close it. And that is how we have our tea for breakfast. So I just put it there, and that's it. Our tea is ready. As easy as bread and butter, right? So that marks the end of today's video, guys. What do you think? What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the video of today. Consider subscribing, sharing, watch Baba, liking the video, like. I wish one person would have that chance of liking even 10 times, but it's just one. Just hit that like button, so that our video is recommended to people. When you like, YouTube recommends it to more people that you're loving this video, and that's why people come and join hands and watch our videos, because I'm working on my watch time. Kindly, after watching this video, go back to my previous video and enjoy the amazing um, videos that are there. So thank you so much for watching until this point. I appreciate and I'm happy. So let me end this video here, and let us meet again on our next video. Bye. Come say bye to our people. This is my son Kyle, always stubborn. Say bye. Bye. Yeah. Mwah. 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 We love you. Mwah.